Hey guys, this is Flori from JoinMyTrip again. You should slowly recognize my voice and my face because it's already my fourth episode of the Travel Essentials show. In the last ones I showed you items about your outdoor trips or your camping trips. Today I will show you 5 items for your next festival trip. Yeah, you heard right. I'm really looking forward for the next festival season and I really hope we can go on summer again. So make sure to listen to the video and to check out the items I will present to you now. First item is a pavilion. I tell you this item straight at the beginning because it's for me the most important item for a festival because I really made bad experiences without a pavilion. We were at the festival like 6 or 7 days and it were raining all day long, every day. And guess who forgot the pavilion at home? My friends and I. So we needed to find new friends with a pavilion because all our belongings were wet. So I really recommend to get a pavilion, and it will protect you from heat and from water or from rain. And it has 4 walls, so it also marks your space or place on the festival. And check it out and let me know if you like it. Next one is a funny pack. You have many different sizes and colors, and it is waterproof and it has many small pockets. You can take it with you when you, for example, go and see the bands or when you just want to check the areas because it's perfect for your small belongings. It's safer than in your pockets of your jacket, for example, or your pen. And if you, for example, choose the color white or black, you also can use it for future events or not only on a festival. Third item is the gas stove. I used to have the little one, but I was not really successful with it. So I really recommend this to you, this gas stove, because it's really powerful and stable, and you have 2 windbreaks on both sides. It is really practical and compact, and you can easily carry it around. You can easily use it and clean it, which is really important for me because gas is always a bit dangerous. But please watch out that you only use it outdoors. It's nothing for your kitchen or something, and I'm sure you will be the king of your next festival with it. What would be a festival without a camping chair? This one is really nice because the most important thing for me, it has 2 holdings for your cold drinks or beers. This is really nice and the must-have for a camping chair. It is really long lasting and you can weigh more than 135 kilos, which I don't think, but it has really strong material and it's easy to carry around, so perfect and simple camping chair. Last but not least is a Viking Chess game. I'm actually not quite sure if it's the right translation, but we say it in German like this, Viking Chess. You have 2 teams and 6 players, and you have 6 wooden blocks for each team. You have those wooden blocks in front of you, and you have to try to hit the blocks from the other team. And the team who hit the blocks from the other team first, they have to hit the king in the middle as well. And the team who hit the king before the other one, they won the game. Don't get me wrong, this is not a child game, it's a nice drinking game we used to play on festivals. It's a nice opportunity to meet new people, to make new friends and to have lots of fun on your next festival. How time flies when you have fun. This was already my 4th episode of the Travel Essential YouTube show. I hope you liked it. You can find us on every social media channel you know, and have a nice week or weekend, and we see us next week. Bye!